Ang unang step na dapat gawin, pumunta sa official website ng BLS International. Itong nasa monitor ko. Ito yung official website. Dapat mababasa nyo, apply for visa to Spain in Philippines. Kasi bawat bansa na under ng BLS, may kanya-kanya silang link. So, hindi ka pwedeng mag-book ng appointment using different link for other countries. So, since magbubook tayo ng appointment, i-click nyo itong nasa taas, book an appointment. And meron ditong mga reminders. So if you have enough time, you can read all of this. Pero ako, i-skip ko ito. Tuloy-tuloy na po tayo. So book an appointment, visit our center, track your application. So ito yung i-click ko, book an appointment. BLS is requiring you to put your email and password. But since wala pa tayong BLS account, new user kayo, wala pa kayong registered email sa BLS, gagawa muna tayo ng account by clicking create an account. Meron ulit, privacy policy information. So, ang dami naman mga ganito ng BLS. But you just need to agree to provide my consent. I-click nyo lang yan. Here, you will need to provide your surname, first name, last name, date of birth, passport type, passport issuing country, passport number, passport issue date. So, it's better to have your passport on hand kasi lahat ng itatanong dito is about your passport bio page. After nyo ma-fill in yung mga information na kailangan ilagay dito sa registration form, i-click nyo lang po itong verify. Please select all boxes with number 489. 489, 489, 489. Submit selection, then verified, and then you will click generate OTP. An OTP has been sent on your registered email. Do not share this OTP with any unauthorized personnel. So this is very important na ma-check nyo yung email ninyo before you click submit. Kasi yung OTP isasend po sa email. This is the email I got from the BLS containing my OTP. And then click submit. Congratulations, your account has been successfully created. Login details has been sent to the given email ID. So go to login page. And from this, you can now enter your registered email address and password. So this is the email that I got and I have this, my new password. So si BLS ang nagbibigay ng bagong password. And then log in. Ito na, nakapag-proceed na tayo sa pag-book ng appointment. Mamimili kayo ng location. It is either in Cebu or in Manila. And for the visa type, so ito yung mga pagpipilian, family member of EU nationals, legalization, other, Schengen visa or national visa. Then, visa subtype, Schengen visa regular, yung pinaka-best subtype of this application. And appointment category, normal or premium. So, normal lang tayo kasi pag premium, medyo mahal yung bayad. Yung sa BLS service fee, mahal siya. So, magno-normal lang ako. And let's check. Location, Manila. Visa type, Schengen visa or national visa. Pero dito tayo sa Schengen visa pasok. Visa subtype, Schengen visa regular. And appointment category, normal. Then, submit. Please note down below address and you have to visit this address for your visa submission. Okay. So, the Visa Application Center for Spain, ito yung address niya. Dito kayo pupunta. So, as of now, ito po yung mga available. I choose January 16, 2026. And the time slot, makikita natin yung red is all occupied na siya. Hindi na siya available. So, ang available, ito na lang ang available, yung pinakamaaga. And I will choose this. So, Mission, Consulate Manila. Also, the center is in Manila. Visa subtype, Schengen visa regular, appointment category, normal, and your phone number and the registered email. Then, upload your photo. So, optional lang naman yung pag-upload ng photo. But then, let's try. So, nakapag-upload na ako ng picture. So, by the way, don't worry kasi optional lang naman to. Kasi mas maganda lang kung meron konting picture like this. And then, get verification code. Ito, i-click nyo ito para makompleto yung appointment ninyo. An OTP has been sent on your registered email ID. Do not share this OTP with any unauthorized personnel. So we need to check our email again. So this is the email that I got. It contains the OTP. Then check verify email. Verify appointment. So ang daming process ng BLS. 0420. So ito yung nakakabagot sa BLS kasi ang napakadami nilang process. And then submit appointment. Step na tayo. So, kailangan lang natin mag-agree dito sa term and condition ng BLS. So, click I agree to provide my consent. And then, okay. Kikita nyo dito, you need to provide your first name, surname, and middle name, date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, nationality, gender, marital status, and the passport details. Then, submit. And we need to make the payment. And here's the summary of your payment. You need to pay around 1,040 pesos. So let's make the payment here. Ito yung different payment method. Pwedeng Maya, GCash, or kaya naman credit card, debit card. So marami silang pagpipilian. But me, I always choose to pay using GCash. Mas madali siya. And ayan, nakapagbayad na tayo. So meron pang pa-survey dito si Maya. So 10. What changes would Maya business have to make for you? Okay, none. And then submit natin to. And congratulations, your appointment has been booked successfully. Just click download appointment. So ito yung itsura ng appointment letter from the BLS. So you have your pictures here and also the QR code. So lahat ng information related to your appointment, meron sila dito. So BLS, mas stricto sila compared to VFS. So BLS sounds a little bit complicated, but it's okay. So, kailangan nyo itong i-download and then i-print kasi kailangan nyo itong dalhin on the day of your appointment. Ito yung magpapatunay na meron po kayong appointment. So, no appointment confirmation letter, no, ayan, hindi po kayo tatanggapin sa application center.
If you need assistance for your Spain visa application, you can email me in this email address or follow my Facebook page.